What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who are already subscribed, you already know what it is. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. What you can find here are talks about maca root extract to be exact, how to gain/maintain weight, product reviews, skincare product reviews, skincare products that I've used and absolutely loved, and then those that I just have not loved as much. Kojic acid soap, the real Kojic acid ultimate illuminating collection, which you can find now via MOisturizingStore.com. Lip products, okay? I see y'all tapping in. Listen, that's what we're gonna get into today, but lip products, particularly Big Lips Peppermint Plumping Lip Butter, and others, lipsticks, which you can find via Modesty Lavish Store, motivational words, music, much more. Just tap in and stay tuned, all right? If you are not already a part of the squad, the Yanni squad, then I do ask that you please do join. You know what I'm saying? If you feel so inclined, if you feel the vibes and you think everything is cool, you think that I'm cool, then I'd greatly appreciate it. Now let's get into it. I did a short. Literally, I see that y'all like the short. I'm like, okay, you ain't gotta tell me twice. What you mean? Let's go. Okay, so let's get into what I am wearing, okay? This is not lip liner, it's actually lipstick. And what had happened was I could not find my lip liner. Well, a couple things happened. One day I couldn't find my lip liner. The sharpener broke. And I was like, you know what? And then I said, oh shoot, but I have this KKW Nude 8, which I do absolutely love. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Listen, I do love this. So shout out to KKW Beauty for this. Like, Kim K did her thing on this. But it is a very pretty brown color, which you've seen me rock before. If you have not seen me rock this before, then you need to tap into MACA for males and increase in size. That video. In the thumbnail, you'll see me cheesing with the 2 braids and just cheesing. And the lipstick that I'm wearing is this. And I got a lot of compliments on that lipstick and on that look, actually. So tap into that video if you have not. But this is what it was, okay? And today, I am going to do a little video of me putting on the lipstick. Well, I already have it on. But just showing you what I did. It's super easy. You do not have to be super perfect, because what you're gonna do is blend your lips like that anyway. You can also create an ombre look. That's another thing that I'll show you. You can put a little more definition with the brown if you want. You can put less brown. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's the thing. And so that is what I want to show you. And you can, it's so easy to clean up. It's forgiving, if you will. Okay. I'm going to attempt to do this with my left hand. So let's see how this goes. I am right-handed. So I'll be using the KKW Nude 8. A deep brown, beautiful color, which you see here mainly on the top of my lip right now, because of the blending that I've done. And then I'm using Big Lips, okay, whipped cream lipstick, which I think I only have one left. And quite honestly, I've been using a lot of my own because this is my favorite. This is my favorite lipstick. And in most of my videos, you'll see me wearing this, as well as Pouty by Big Lips, because they're natural colors, everyday colors, and that's just mainly what I rock, to be honest with you. This is my absolute favorite lipstick. I'm not just saying it because it's my own. It really is. I don't even have to put lip gloss on with it. I don't have lip gloss on with it right now. It's just the lipsticks that you see here. Just these two. Okay, it has grapeseed oil, it has jojoba oil. It's just super amazing and has a wonderful cream finish, which I love. So I've gone through a couple myself. Okay, like, okay, you trying to get the profits, or look, I love it so much. So anyway, let's get into it. First things first, we are going to use the Kim K and go over what I've already done for the YouTube short. Okay, this is what it looks like. Voila. You see what I'm saying? Like, the amount of times that I wear this and I step off, and honestly, it gives you more, like, pop than a lip liner anyway. So I'm like, shoot, high key, I do this most of the time now instead of using an actual lip liner, okay? But I do want to say that I do love MAC's Chestnut. So that's a great lip liner that for my darker skin women with a darker hue, you know what I mean? Tap into that Chestnut. And but most people know about Chestnut by MAC, okay? But let's get into this whipped cream though. Okay, so peep, and yes, it has a lot of brown and Kim K on there, and I've done a lot of layers challenges, so disregard the messiness, but here we go. Y'all, see how it's just a clean, it's like a pinkish orange, it's like the perfect color to me. It's like a pinkish orangish color. Absolutely love it. Okay. Shameless plug, and I must say, before I even applied the lipstick, I did add the Big Lips Peppermint Plumping Lip Butter. Once more, I want to let y'all know, this is just to keep my lips super moisturized and keep them supple, plump, pouty, but high key, even without doing this, I'm gonna keep it a buck, even without doing this, if you simply put this on, you're gonna be like, wait a minute, I don't need lip balm though. I don't need the chapstick. I don't need lip butter. Like, my lips are moisturized just from this lipstick alone. Yes, it is that incredible. Like, I'm not for real. I'm not just saying it to just say it. Like, this is lit, okay? So we're gonna go into a couple more, you know what I mean? You see how I just did a couple layers though, and it already gave me such a pop? Like, I just wanna point that out. But voila. If you want a little less of a lip liner look and you want more of the actual lighter color to show, okay. And then here's another little trick. I'm no perfectionist or nothing like that, y'all. Like I'm saying, I'm just showing you what it is that I do, okay? But you can go like this. Peep, I'm doing this on my left hand. That should show you how forgiving this is too. I'm using my left hand. That's how you know that you ain't gotta be no makeup artist per se. Let me not say per se, you ain't gotta be no makeup artist. Shoot. The key to stepping out and looking lit, if you don't wanna beat your face all the time and do a whole contour, listen to me. Make your eyes and your lips pop, fam. That's it. Okay, so here's another little look, right? Do this number here, but here we go. Put some brown. Kind of there, and you could also do this, which I often do. Make the whole top lip brown, and then add a little more of the whipped cream. This is called whipped cream, okay? Yes, so. A little added dimension, a little added pop, okay? You see what I did there? Just a little browning at the middle of the lip, of the bottom lip. You know what I mean? Just a little. Oh, let me turn this into. Don't look. If y'all need me to do an ASMR thing, let me know. I do that when I'm about to eat too. Like if it's something that I really like to eat, I'll be like, it irks a certain person that I know. But anyway, don't be hating. Look. Okay, that turned into a whole disaster. But anyway, done turned into the whole. But see how the brown look though? Do you see how the brown looks though? And if you want to bring it back, bring it back. You are just like them, never the truth. always a lie. You told me you are not like them. I can't believe that it was you who broke me. Okay, listen to me when I say you will never get a chance to come break my heart again, 'cause you are just like them, and I can't believe, no, that it was you who hurt me. Let me tell you something. That's out now on most major platforms. Tap into that. No different though, okay? That's the gist of this video. Look, peep, peep, peep. Tell me that ain't pretty. You could tell me that, but I'm gonna say you a hater though, okay? Don't hate, congratulate, love. Love, long as we got. Shout out to SZA. Her album is sick. Both, but of course I'm talking about the most recent though, y'all. Okay, listen. There ends this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed my shenanigans. Please do like, comment, share, okay? Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, okay? YouTube, help me out here. YouTube, you see me trying, you know what I mean? Listen, let's go, let's get it. No, for real, I'm yanniceecee on the socials, also Modesty Lavish, but quite honestly, I mainly plug my products and everything via yanniceecee pages, okay? I would greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to my mailing list, because yes, I have great things coming your way. And if you subscribe to the mailing list, you'll be the first to know. I have more things coming out, okay? MACA for Males is out, okay? Tap in on Amazon. Yes, I have music out on most major platforms, and we're gonna have a lot more, okay? So let me know that you want more content by hitting that like button, okay? That's about it. I really appreciate y'all tapping in. Shout out to Chloe. Shout out to all of y'all. Shout out to Azane, Ms. Azani. She know I appreciate her. You know. And everybody else. Callie, you know I appreciate you always. Zia, everybody. Okay, I really appreciate all of uno. I hope you have a happy holiday. You'll see me before the holidays, but I'm just gonna say for those of you who might not, tap in again soon. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll holla. Peace.